Oh, bees.
Okay.
We can grab that. We can grab that.
I got it.
Get it.
No! No! Because... I'm sorry, Chris. I'm sorry. Chris? Chris? I gotta do it. I'm sorry, Chris. I gotta go. I'm sorry. Oh boy. I love
Does it look like a blood moon? Oh, we got bees already. Go.
Youch!
Keep running. Don't go on the ship. Oh, fuck me. Jesus fucking Christ. Remember where the fire exit is.
Oh, what's that? Right.
What's what?
What's that?
Just go. Come here. You're almost out.
Look.
What do you mean? Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
It's so freaky.
Come on, Jimmy. This way. Yeah. Okay, just keep looking at it. I'm gonna look for the exit, okay?
It looks weird.
Alright, turn the corner. I'm gonna go this way. Hello! Okay, I found the fire exit, Dimmer.
Okay.
Ready? Just turn the corner again. He's gonna be right at the door. Yeah. Alright. Go ahead. You can leave. Fuck that! Here, I'm gonna tell them where. Oh. I'm dead.
Oh, okay, go.
Over here.
How much is it?
Over here. Oh!
It's so big.
Oh, it looks like a view. Alright, so that's all for this, right? You guys are gonna check upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god. It's over for me. I love you, Dreamer. I don't think that works. Over. Oh, it's the shadow monster fucker. You just gotta shine your flashlight at it.
Let's get it. Oh my god.
Go, bro.
Let's go. Go!
Gotta go.
Oh my god, isn't this big ass blind dog thing? Holy shit!